All India Institute of Medical Sciences partner recruitment for junior engineer in different streams. This is a direct recruitment and it is a permanent job. So the pay level is around 35,400 to 1,12,400. This is a level 6 pay. The essential qualification: previous diploma in mechanical engineer plus a specified course in refrigeration and air conditioning from any recognized university institute, and desirable, this is just desirable, not essential, experience in air conditioning and refrigeration work. This is a group B post. The eligibility criteria of age limit is around 18 to 30 years, and the number of vacancies are 4 vacancies, 3 for unreserved and 1 for OBC. The mode of selection will be based on written test. So this is regarding the number of vacancies are 4 for mechanical engineering. There is also the notification regarding different disciplines. So the last date of online application is 30 days from the date of notice, that is the date of notice is 30 of October 2021. So at the end of November the last date is. So this is the recruitment notification. The mode of applying is online. You need to go to website of aimspartner.org and you need to apply online. You need to pay the fees. So for women candidates 1200 rupees is the fee criteria, and for all other categories that is general, OBC and different categories 1500. So PWD candidates are exempted from paying any fees. This is the application fee criteria. So there is also age relaxation available for different categories. SC/ST 5 years, OBC 3 years, PWD 10 years, PWD plus OBC 13 years, PWD plus SC/ST 15 years, and there is some other reservation criteria for domicile of Jammu and Kashmir ex-servicemen. And so this is regarding the number of vacancies. The scheme of examination for this is based on written test itself. The mode of selection is based on only written test. So the scheme of examination will be consisting of stipulated time of 2 hours, general intelligence 10 questions, and reasoning also 10 questions, 5 questions general awareness, domain knowledge, the subject knowledge 85 questions, 2 hours is time duration, and the syllabus for different streams will be given in the description. Just check here, general intelligence and reasoning, this is the syllabus. So the link for notification and apply link will be given in the description. So general awareness, this is the criteria where you will have to, all the questions are expected from this: history, culture, geography, economic, general polity, scientific research. So domain knowledge, this is the syllabus. And other notification, that is junior engineer in the civil department, 3 years diploma in civil engineering is required. So experience is a desirable thing. Number of vacancies are 4 vacancies, unreserved 3 and 1 for OBC. The mode of selection is written test. So it is also, you can apply only online. The fees criteria is women 1200 rupees, for other categories 1500 rupees. There is also age relaxation. The criteria for this is through mode of selection is only via online examination, which will be for 2 hours, and general intelligence and reasoning 10 questions, awareness, general awareness 5 questions, and domain knowledge is 85 questions. So this is the indicative syllabus. The link for this will be given in the description. Please check this, and I do request you to just check the latest job update playlist so that you will not miss any further job updates.